Hey guys, I am Bisal Kumar and you're welcome to this first video of Python for Beginners playlist of inditechfied. In this video, I am going to introduce you to Python programming language. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So the first topic of this video is what is Python and who developed Python. So the Python is general purpose programming language. Python is developed by Guido van Rossum. Sir Guido van Rossum started implementing Python in 1989. Python is a very simple programming language and its syntax also beginners friendly. So even if you are new to programming, you can learn programming without facing any issue. Let's have a look at the features of Python programming language which makes it more easier. So the first feature of Python is its readability. Python is very readable programming language. So if you are new to programming, you easily can read the code of Python. The second feature of Python is cross-platform. Python is available and can run on various operating systems such as Mac, Windows, Linux, and Unix, etc. This makes it a cross-platform and portable language. The third feature of Python is open source. Python is an open source programming language, so it's completely free to use. The fourth feature of Python programming language is large standard library. Python comes with a large standard library that has some handy codes and functions which we can use while writing code in Python. The fifth feature of Python is support exception handling. If you are new, you may wonder what is an exception. An exception is an event that can occur during program execution and can disrupt the normal flow of program. Python supports exception handling, which means we can write less error-prone code and can test various scenarios that can cause an exception later on. Let's have a look at what we can do with Python. So the first thing which we can do with Python, web development. Web framework like Django and Flask are based on Python. They help you to write server-side code which help you manage database, write backend programming logic, mapping, URL, etc. etc. The second thing which you can do with Python programming language is machine learning. Machine learning is a way to write logic so that a machine can learn and solve a particular problem on its own. For example, product recommendation in websites like Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, etc. etc. is a machine learning algorithm that recognizes user interest. Face recognition and voice recognition in your phone is another example of machine learning. The third thing which you can do with Python programming language is data analysis. Data analysis and data visualization in form of charts can also be developed in Python. The fourth thing which you can do with Python programming language is scripting. Scripting is writing a small program to automate simple tasks such as sending automated response email, etc. etc. Such types of application can also be written in Python programming language. The another thing which you can do with Python is desktop application. Yes, you can develop desktop application in Python using library like Tkinter and Qt. So if you are learning something from this video, so hit the like button and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notification of our new video.